Hello everyone, James here from Haswings. With Bonfire Night just around the corner, it's time to explore some of the best places in the UK to enjoy the festivities. Whether you're planning to stay warm by the fire or just looking for a great display, I'll be sharing some top spots across the country, along with a few tips on how to stay cosy. Axim. So, let's start with a quick background. Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, is celebrated on the 5th of November. It's a tradition that goes back over 400 years and commemorates the failed gunpowder plot of 1605, when a group of conspirators tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Since then, people have gathered around bonfires to mark the occasion, often accompanied by fireworks, food stalls and music. Now, if you're looking to catch a fantastic bonfire night celebration, here are some well-known locations across the UK. Each one offers something unique, from grand fireworks to a cosy atmosphere for all ages. First up, we have Alexandra Palace in London. Known as Ali Pali, this spot is famous for its impressive display, set against the city's skyline. It's not just fireworks, you'll find a fun fair, street food and live music. A ticketed event, so it's worth booking ahead. And the best part. There are plenty of places around the grounds to find some warmth, whether it's near the food vendors or by grabbing a hot drink. Next, there's Lewes in East Sussex. Lewes takes Bonfire Night very seriously, with several bonfire societies organising a parade and fireworks. The streets light up with traditional costumes, torches and marching bands. Be aware though, this is a more intense celebration, with crowds and loud fireworks. Wear layers, and if you want to keep warm, check out some of the cosy pubs around town, before or after the event. If you're in Scotland, head over to Edinburgh. Calton Hill is a popular viewing spot, and from there, you can see the city's firework display with a breathtaking backdrop. Edinburgh's Bonfire Night celebrations are a bit more laid back, with opportunities to stroll around the city and pop into a cafe or pub for warmth and a snack. It's ideal if you're looking for a relaxed night. Heaton Park in Manchester offers a family-friendly atmosphere. It's a big space, so there's room to roam and enjoy the festivities. The fireworks here are known for being impressive, and there's a cosy fairground area with food stalls and hot drinks. Perfect if you're looking for something fun, but not overwhelming. Bundle up in a warm coat and maybe grab some hot chocolate. For those in Wales, Cardiff hosts Bonfire Night events in various spots, but Cardiff Castle is always a standout location. The castle provides a beautiful historic backdrop to the fireworks. You can explore the city's cafes and restaurants nearby to stay warm before or after the display.
North and South medley played by the United States Marine.
Of course, there are plenty of other great places to celebrate Bonfire Night. Sheffield's Endcliffe Park, Bristol's Downs, and Birmingham's Edgbaston Stadium are also popular. No matter where you are, you're likely to find a local display. Just check your local council's website for details. Now, let's talk about staying warm. Bonfire Night is exciting, but it can get chilly, especially in early November. Here are a few tips to keep cosy while you enjoy the evening. First up, dress in layers. Start with a thermal base layer, add a jumper, and then a waterproof coat. Bring along a hat, scarf, and gloves to keep the heat in. Next, grab a warm drink. Most bonfire night events have food vendors, so you're likely to find hot chocolate, mulled cider, or even soup. A warm drink goes a long way in keeping you comfortable as the temperature drops. Comfortable footwear is essential too. Many events are held in parks or grassy areas that can get muddy, so waterproof boots or wellies are a good idea. And if you're really sensitive to the cold, consider bringing hand warmers. These are small, portable heat packs that fit right into your gloves or pockets, keeping your hands nice and toasty. Before you head out, remember to check any local guidelines for safety. Bonfire night can be crowded, so be mindful of children and pets. If you're attending a large event, arrive early to get a good spot and avoid the rush. Also, be prepared for potential changes in weather. Sometimes it rains, so having a lightweight poncho or umbrella can be useful. So, whether you're in a big city or a small town, Bonfire Night in the UK is a wonderful experience to get out, meet people, and enjoy a bit of history and fun. Wherever you choose to go, wrap up, stay safe, and enjoy the show. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and guides from Haswings. I'll see you in the next video.